Hello and welcome back to a C++ programming tutorial. In this video, we will be discussing the three different types of loops in C++: for loop, while loop, and do while. Let's see for loop. It is used when we know the number of times we want to execute a block of code. It has the following syntax: for initialization, condition, increment. And inside the curly brackets, we have to write the code we want to execute. Let's say an example. For int I equals to 1, semicolon, I is less than equals to 5, semicolon, and I plus plus. So inside the curly brackets, we write cout I and then ln. In this example, we initialize the variable I to 1. So the condition that the loop should continue as long as I is less than or equal to 5 and increment I by 1 after each iteration. Let's see what does initialization, condition, and increment mean. Initialization means the starting value, condition means the ending value, and increment means how you want to increment. Like I plus plus means increment by 1. As you can see in the example, the initialization value is 1, condition is less than equals to 5, and increment is I plus plus. The output of this loop will be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as we print the value of I, and we increment the value of I by 1 till the value is less than or equals to 5. So now let's see another loop, while loop. It is used when we don't know number of times we want to execute a block of code, but we do know the condition that will end the loop. It has the following syntax: while condition, inside the curly brackets, same as for loop, we have to write our code. Here's an example. We print numbers from 1 to 5. So int I equals to 1 while I is less than equals to 5, and we print cout I and then ln, and we say I plus plus. In this example, we initialize the variable I to 1. We keep executing loop as long as I is less than or equal to 5. Inside the loop, we print the value of I and increment it by 1 after each iteration. Now, let's see the last loop, which is do while. It is similar to while loop, but it executes the code of block at least once before checking the condition. It has the following syntax: do code to be executed, curly bracket close, and then we have to write while condition and semicolon. Here's an example where we print numbers from 1 to 5. Int I equals to 1. Do curly bracket open, cout I and endl I plus plus. Then we write while I is less than equals to 5. In this example, we initialize the value I to 1, print the value of I and increment it by 1. Then we check the condition and continue executing the loop as long as I is less than or equals to 5. So that's brief overview of the three different types of loop. in C++. plus plus. Each type of loop has its own use case, and understanding how to use them effectively is essential for writing efficient C++ plus plus code. In the next video, we'll explore more advanced programming concepts in C++. Plus plus. Thank you